Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials, a phone and recovery email for verification. Why? Because Outlook uses them to secure your account and recover access. Now, open the sign-up page and enter a unique username. If it's taken, try a short variation or add numbers. Once done, create a strong password with 12+ characters. Mix letters, digits, and symbols so your email stays safe. Make sure to select whether this is personal versus work, since that choice affects defaults and available features. You continue by entering personal details: name, birth date, and country. These aid identity checks and recovery options. Next, add a recovery email or enable two-step verification. This is the core of account security, so do not skip it. When Outlook sends a verification code to your phone, type it immediately. Codes often expire in under 10 minutes. Once verification clears, review privacy and promotional settings, then accept terms. Make sure to save your recovery info somewhere secure for future. You finish by customizing inbox layout, adding a signature, and setting forwarding rules so your mail behaves how you want. Once configured, review connected devices and recent activity to confirm only your logins appear. This prevents unauthorized access. If you encounter a problem, like being locked out, use the recovery email or phone to reset your password immediately. If that fails, follow the account recovery prompts and provide accurate details. One key tip: clear browser cache or try a private window if the sign-up page misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.